Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dog Piano Tutorials. So today I'm going to teach you guys how I play this intro. This intro is for beginners. If you are starting, this is the intro you can use for your Makossa. If you want to start a song, a Makossa, if you are still a beginner, you can use this intro. Years back when I learned the piano, this was the first this thing I learned on the keyboard, this intro. So today I'm going to be breaking it down how I play it so that you yourself can do so as well. So for the first one, see the way I played it. I'm on F. I'm doing this tutorial on the key of F. So I'm doing it on F. So I'm going to be using the soft notations to teach you guys for better understanding. So to play this is basically mi 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 do, mi 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 do, fa, mi 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 do, fa re, mi do re, fa re mi do re, mi 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 do, fa re mi do re, fa re mi do re. That is the first one. Let me take it a little bit slower. Mi 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 do, fa re mi do re, fa re mi do re, mi 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 do, fa re mi do re, fa re mi do re. That is for the start. Let me take it again slowly. Mi 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 do, fa re mi do re, fa re mi do re. Use these three fingers too, so that it will be easier for you. Mi 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 do, fa re mi do re, fa re mi do re. Yeah, that is this for the first one. This is what you'll be playing. For the first one, you play it as you got it. Mi 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 do, fa re mi do re, fa re mi do re. Understand? That's just it. Just repeat it for like 3 times. Then you end it with your so. You got it? So that's it. Mi 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 do, fa re mi do re, fa re mi do re. You got it? That's for the first one. So for the second part of it, that's the second intro you can use for your Makossa. This one goes like this. See the support notations you're going to be using. Mi do re, mi do re ti do, la la, do ti la, mi do re ti do, la la, do ti la, so. You got it? Let me take it slowly so that you will get what I played here. Mi do re ti do, la la, do ti la, so. Mi do re ti do, la la, do ti la, so. So simple. Mi do re ti do, la la, do ti la, so. So this is the pattern. So let me take it a little bit faster. Mi do re ti do, la la, do ti la, so. Mi do re ti do, la la, do ti la, so. You play it 3 times just like the other one. Mi do re ti do, la la, do ti la, so. Mi do re ti do, la la, do ti la, so. Mi do re ti do, beat it. So. Then the drummer will not kick you in. So this is it. Let me try and use a beat so that it will be kind of fun. Let me use a Makossa beat so that you see how it sounds with a beat. In my next tutorial, I will teach you guys how to load a beat. How to load a beat to your. If you don't have a drummer, you have to load a beat. But for this tutorial, let me get Makossa beat and play it with this intro. Let's see how it sounds. We are looking for Makossa. Hold on, guys. We're looking for Makossa. Yeah, I got it. So when it's on 174 on this keyboard. So let's start it and see how it sounds. It's a bit faster, so let me reduce the tempo. Don't worry, guys, I will teach you guys how to set all this in my next tutorial. Let's look for the tempo. And this is way too fast. So here's the tempo. Let's try 116. See, sound much better. So let's also do it for the other one. Yeah. So there you have it. That's the for if you want to play Makossa. This is the intro you're going to use. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how to load this beat on your keyboard. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, comment. Always leave your feedback. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. God bless.